Hi. Hi, Seika. Good day. Good day. Uh, well, what's this? The donkey and the mule. The donkey and the mule. Let's read. Let's read. Once upon a time, there lived a man who owned a donkey and a mule. One day, he loaded them up and set off on a journey. Where the road was level, the donkey plodded on without a problem, but eventually they came to where the road was rough and steep. The donkey found it hard going. It struggled on until it was gasping for breath. On the verge of collapse, the donkey begged the mule to carry part of its load, but the unkind mule refused. At last, the exhausted donkey stumbled and fell down a cliff to its death. The owner was in despair at the loss of his animal, as he now had a problem of how to carry on with his journey. In the end, he did the only thing possible. He climbed down and retrieved the donkey's load and piled it on top of the mule's. The mule could only just manage the extra weight, and as it staggered painfully along, it said, "I have only got what I deserve. If I had helped the donkey, I would not be carrying this extra load into the bargain. Prevention is better than cure." Bye-bye, viewers. See you in the next vlog.